Stick around and I'm going to make this knife out of a leaf spring. This is where I'm at. So this is where I'm at. I got a little carried away chasing a big mistake right here. That is not what I wanted that little choil to look like, but that's what I have to work with. Yeah, I figured I'd drill my pinholes for my handle before putting the bevel on. Got some pinholes. Now it's time for some bevels. Probably call it a stopping point for the day after that. We're going to call that a day. Okay, so I followed the same process I did on my last 5160 leaf spring knife, which worked really good. I did 3 normalization cycles, then I heat treated it after that, or got it in the oil. Oh wow, that feels really good. I love it. I love that sound. Still a little warm, so I'm going to let it cool. Then I'll do two temper cycles at 400 degrees. And we'll be back out here, probably not tomorrow, but soon to get this thing finished up. It's going to be awesome. Alright, so I got a little bit of work in tonight. It's still pretty rough. I got the bevels and the edge about 95% in. Top's all done here. I was initially going to leave this scale on, but in looking at it and putting the scales on there, I don't like it. So I've got quite a bit of hand sanding to do. It is time to get these scales glued on. Ooh, buddy. I like to stir it for about 30 seconds. All right, I'm happy. I think it looks cool. It's gonna look really good once it's been hit on the polishing wheel, but I'm gonna let the epoxy cure overnight. We'll be back out hopefully tomorrow night and get this thing finished up. I am done with this knife. I've got a couple knives that I need sheaths for, so we're probably going to work on that, but subscribe. We'll see you soon.